Ethan here has decided we're going to take the Emaxx out for a little blast around in the yard. Hey, bud? So, this Emaxx, it's been modified a little bit. I do have the original 2 motors that used to go in this, and the EVX speed control, but the EVX, for whatever reason, started giving me a hard time, stopped working, and this thing used to run on nickel cadmiums or nickel metal hydrides, which they're not bad batteries necessarily, but they're not nearly as great as LiPo batteries. And so I put a setup in here, this little, right there, this little ESC for running brushed motors and LiPo batteries. So I'm running a 3S LiPo, and this, I think it's a 45 turn brushed motor in there, and a 10-tooth pinion on it. And so this thing's more of a crawler at this point, and I've also taken out some of the shocks. Right, so this used to have 8 shocks, now it's only got 4. So it gives this thing a lot more, wiggle and suspension travel. Not so much travel obviously it doesn't, but, And it's got these big monster tires that are on here, really grippy. Whereas the ones that came on it were a little more of a hard rubber. And, yeah, so this is set up to do a little more of the slow kind of crawl deal. I got the other toys. That one's not working, but I got the other toy for, blasting around, going fast. So we're gonna let Ethan drive this around a little bit and have a good old time crawling about in the backyard. Does that sound good, bud?
Is it antenna?
That is the antenna. You ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Antenna's out.
Antenna's out. Uh-oh. Looks like we got a problem.
It still drives.
It still drives. Does it steer? Any steering?
Yep.
Kinda. I don't know. Here, steer it. No, that's not working right. Oh boy. Oh well. Game over. Or just keep going in a straight-ish line. You still got yours to play with?
I don't want to be mine.
Yeah, I was having fun with yours, but now I get the broken one. Thanks. Alright. Yeah. Go for it, bud. Rip it up. Yeah, steering works on yours.
I'll try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking. Of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up. Cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking. Going round and around, back around. I will fight like...
Okay.
Are you gonna stand at the bottom?
Yes, they're gonna hit me down.
Okay, you're fully aware it's gonna hit you. Okay. If you're ready, go ahead.
Let's walk me down. Let's do it again.
All right, again.
The hard one that makes me fall down.
You want it to hit you so you fall down.
Mm-hmm.
You're a strange boy.
Can you put it back up there?
Yep.
This is no good.
Yeah, stand right here.
Then I'll try to hit you.
Oh, thanks. Okay, ready?
Stand in front, slide right here.
Okay. All right, you go.
Is like I'm looking at tight rope so high. I hope we turn it around.
Burnout time.
every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time. And I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. You got me
Uh-oh. I think that's stripped. Well, we'll pull it apart, figure out what is wrong with it. Stripped. Sucks. Oh well. Servo saver. Saved the servo, didn't save itself though. So, stuck a new servo horn on there. Should do the job. It's only plastic. Hopefully it will strip also rather than damaging that servo. That's a nice servo. 35 kilogram servo.
No. How about this one?
How about this one? Ethan here's got a battery. He's ready to go. Shall we do it?
Yes, this one.
Yes, that one. Okay, cool. Let's hook it up. And that's what happens when you hand a 3-year-old an Emaxx. Looks like we got it hung up in some bushes. Okay. Oh boy. Oh, good turn. There we go. Trying to park it in the shed.
I can hardly stand the heat, soaking underneath the sheet, burning like a flame within, blisters all over my skin, always a step behind, just like I'm going blind. Ever I'm on the loose, I will never get to choose.
He's heading for the door. Oh, caught on something. Flipped again. Poor truck. But hey, it's getting a good workout. That's what these are for. They're meant to be played with, meant to have fun. Let's build another ramp. Ethan here is ready to jump this thing. This truck does have a 2-speed transmission in it. This is on first gear, by the way, because I haven't wanted him to drive it on second gear, but maybe we'll ramp it in second. Just see what happens. First gear is plenty for him, though. Hey, good job, bud, turning it around to get lined up with the ramp. Nice. Right there. Okay. Gonna gas it? Yeah.
Now?
Gas it now. Go for it, man. Nice. Oh. Crash. I aimed the ramp that way into open space, and still we managed to hit this, hit that fence, hit that tree. I don't think we've actually gone that direction once yet. Oh, now we're going that way. Are you having fun, buddy?
Yeah, let's do another one.
All right, let's do it again.
Be on the side,
Okay.
so it doesn't hit you.
Okay, it won't hit me.
And be on the side.
Ethan's against a risky shot.
Be on the side.
Okay, I'm over on the side now.
But be right there. I'm going to try going where you are.
Okay, all right, thanks for looking out for me. There you go. Ouch. Still working though. Hasn't destroyed that new steering servo saver yet. Or servo horn rather. Hasn't destroyed that new servo horn yet.